Are you sure about that?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got in my April 2020 Ipsy Glam bag. If you don't know what Ipsy is, it's basically a bag that comes with different beauty products like hair care, skin care, makeup, and also nail products. But I never actually got nail products yet, but you know, I may get lucky and get it in here. But yeah, if you like little things like that, you should most definitely try to get Ipsy. But I'm just gonna make this video not too long. I'm just gonna show you what I got and maybe even try out some of the things that's in here. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna open it up and pull it out. You see how cute these bags are? Like, if you're not somebody who goes to Ipsy a lot or like to actually get stuff from them, they have like the cutest bags. Like, their bags are like adorable. I'm gonna show you the other bags I used to get from Ipsy. Like, this was another bag I got from Ipsy. It was just, I'm not gonna pull them all out, but I just want you to know that the bags, like, they be on point. And yeah, it says Ipsy on the zipper. So let's open it up. This will look like when you open it up, and you get a little card and let you know the theme of the bag. And this month's theme is called Full Bloom. I'm gonna read this part right here. It says, Mother Nature's finest work. It's time to fully embrace your natural and most gorgeous state, curls, curves, and all, and allow yourself to blossom. So that's the theme of this month of April. And when you open it up, it tells you some of the things you got, just to let you know. I'm not going to read all of that because you're probably going to see what some of the things are in the bag right now. So the next thing, I'm probably going to pull out this little bubble wrap part. See what that is. All right. I'm just going to open it all the way up. But so far, it looks like a nude shimmer contour palette. I could not talk. But this is what it looks like. I can't say this. I'm not going to even try. I'm going to sound dumb. But this is what it is. But yeah, it just says nude shimmer and contour eyeshadow. I love getting eyeshadows because it's just so nice. It really is. I really like makeup. So like when I get stuff like this, I get all geeky and excited. But yeah, it has like these neutral colors, which is the theme, more like nature vibes. I should do like swatches, I feel. I'm gonna do swatches. Okay, so I'm doing a swatch of this one right here. All right. Yeah. You know, it's a good brown color right here. I already got it on my finger. I'm gonna do it right next to it. I know it's weird to do it in your wrist. I think people do it like right here, but I mean, this is just where I'm doing it. This is this kind of bronze color here. Ooh. It's surprising to me because I usually get like stuff that's from like beauty supply and stuff and don't really be like on point with pigment, but this is a shocker. And then this one right here, it's the last one. I'm using my pinky because that's all I got now. And then yes, all this stuff is like nice looking. The next one in the bag, I'm gonna pull out this because like it's just jiggling in there. So this is a berry plus juice 100% vegan lip gel. Some lip gel. The packaging is really cute, don't you think? It's like, oh my god, like I don't feel like you can see it as well like I can see it, but yeah, it says vegan, no mineral oil, no, can't say that word, no gluten, with vitamin E, blackberry and raspberry extract with soft shea butter, soybean, safflower, and sunflower seeds. Yeah, so I'm gonna open it up. This is what it looks like. Kind of cute. We gotta pose with it. I just stabbed myself in the eye. Did you see that? Okay, but I'm gonna get for real this time. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you open it up. I still want to try it on. Should I try it on? I'm gonna try it on. Ooh, I wish I can smell this. It's more like a fruit roll-up. It like smells really good. looks like it would be color, but it's not color. It's just clear. It's like real smooth. It's not sticky. It's just, and it kind of got a shimmer to it. Can y'all notice? So we got us a brush. Okay. Can you see the name? Because I can't pronounce it, so hopefully you just saw the name. The brush is like this. I really needed some actual new eyeshadow brushes because mine got to the point to where they're bad, but I like it. It kind of got that matte color at the tip and then just regular black at the bottom. I'm gonna see how it feels. It feels good. Now to our fourth product. I'm gonna just pull it out. Okay, so I think this is a hand cream. I wish my phone would focus so you can see that it's a hand cream. Ugh, my arm looks so gross because you can legit see all the stuff. Alright guys, I'm going to read it like I was doing anyway, but it's by the brand Go Fading MD. It is hands to heart, anti-aging plus brightening hand treatment. So gives those, I'm gonna read this bottom part. Give rough, cracked, and aging hands moisturizing relief with Dr. Goldfind's I guess how you pronounce it, intense hand cream. It may reduce the appearance of dark spots, leaving hands smooth, soft, and hydrated. Okay, see how it smells. Oh, I gotta open it all the way up. It doesn't have a smell so far. I'm just gonna put it on my hand a little bit. So it's really creamy. Ooh, really creamy. A little go a long way, because man, it came out. I don't know what it smells like, but it's like a familiar smell. But I don't know, but it's like real melting, like melting your hand. And yeah, it feels good. I might get it to my mom because like she likes to put like lotions in her purse, and this is like a good travel size. So yeah, on to our fifth product, which is our last. Yeah, it was our last. I don't know how to look that hard. I got nail polish. I haven't got nail polish in none of my products. I don't know if I said that in the beginning. Probably didn't. Man, why can't I remember what I say? So yeah, it's very on point with the bag. Most likely was on purpose, but I love this pastel color. I love the bag. I love all the items I got today. This one was really, really good. Like, I feel like it was better than last month's MC haul, which I'm sorry I didn't get to show you my last one because I wasn't recording what I got. But I am most definitely going to start recording what I get because it's exciting, and I mean, it's a cool video to watch. I like watching people unbox stuff, so hopefully you like watching me unpack what I got. So these were all the items. I mean, it may look like it's not much, but when you're like starting off with no products and just want something new, it's really helpful to like keep adding on to your collection of different makeups, nail products, all that stuff. It's like really, really worth it. So yeah, it's nice. You should try it. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be looking out for this Ipsy video like every month because that's when I get my packages. Bye.